This early morning episode of The Life and Times of Anisha Rao promises some scandalous encounters, a stifled rebellion, and a chance encounter that just might add a new angle to the already entangled life of yours truly. That's me. But before we get into any of that, let's do a recap. Previously, on The Life and Times of Anisha Rao, back at the ranch, relationship with the blood relatives deteriorate and things go from bad to worse.
5,000 rupees for a pair of jeans. 7,000 rupees for a pair of sneakers.
Daddy, they are aerodynamic. What's so funny?
I refuse to pay for this. Take care of your own expenses.
While in the matters of the coronary, where's everyone? I thought I was late.
I didn't call them.
Could a long-time friendship be evolving into something else? And a part-time job as a wedding reception welcomer opens up the doors of perception. The guy in the cream sherwani?
I thought you said you like Akshay.
So, in today's edition, let's see how your humble narrator uses her nascent yet sincere study of anthropology in each situation. What lessons are to be learned during the daily interaction of the ecosystem, and what new obstacles present themselves. Find out only in The Life and Times of Anisha Rao.
Wake up when I have to dress up like I want to live my life on my own terms. Who's the one to decide what is wrong, what is right? Every day I'm just breathing a new life.
This is what I do, and these are my friends. Everywhere I go, I set my own trends.
This is what she does, and we are her friends. Everywhere she goes, she sets her own trends.
Life and Times of Anisha Rao. Life and Times of Anisha. Life and Times of Anisha Rao. Life and Times of Anisha.
Well, I don't see her around so much. Probably because I don't leave the house. She comes around. Shh. She comes around occasionally to collect her keys or some such thing. Well, she's always wearing something very cheerful. I think she's growing into a charming young lady.
He's the groom's brother. When I came out from the washroom, he started talking to me. I just feel he dropped her from the clouds or something.
If you'd ever go out, I'd really pity Akshay. You're one of those
What?
restless eyes.
No, I'm not. I just think it would be cool. Just imagine both of them battling for my affections. And finally I choose the guy with the heart of gold.
You speak like you're from the movies.
Well, as the famous Bardwell once said, all the world's
Soap opera?
Hello, hi, good afternoon everybody. Once again your only Udas Vikas from Happy Dance. Anisha finds her prince charming. जैसा कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं आज इस डेटिंग रियलिटी शो का फाइनल है, लेकिन फाइनल राउंड शुरू होने से पहले हम आपको बता दें कि जब ये खेल शुरू हुआ था तब इसमें 12 कंटेस्टेंट्स ने भाग लिया था और चुनौती दी थी नन अदर देन अ वेरी चार्मिंग अनीशा। लेकिन फाइनल में हमारे साथ पहुंचे हैं केवल 2 कंटेस्टेंट्स, अक्षय एंड फारूक। अक्षय द कॉलेज हीरो जिन्होंने अनीशा के लिए अपनी बॉडी पर दुनिया भर के टैटूज बना रखे हैं। माफ कीजिए वो टैटूज आपको नहीं दिखा पाएंगे क्योंकि हमारा प्रोग्राम सेंसर्ड है, लेकिन निराश होने की कोई बात नहीं है। हम आपको मिलाते हैं दूसरे डैशिंग कंटेस्टेंट फारूक से, जो शाहरुख खान के बहुत बड़े फैन हैं और साथ ही बाथरूम सिंगर भी हैं। तो देखते हैं वन एंड ओनली चार्मिंग अनीशा किनके साथ डेटिंग पर जाती हैं। वोट्स हमारे पास आ चुके हैं, देखते हैं दर्शकों के दिल और दिमाग क्या कहते हैं। लेकिन इससे पहले मैं वोट खोलूं, हम यहाँ पर लेंगे एक छोटा सा ब्रेक। कहीं जाइएगा नहीं, अब यूं गए और यूं आए।
Anisha, well, she's
Okay, right.
she. You are talking about Anisha, right?
Dude,
My.
dude, that cloth's got big. Okay, wait. No, right. Okay, let's. Ah, man. No.
Boricua, Morena, Dominican, Colombian.
Anisha, can you take these headphones off, please?
What?
I said, can you take these headphones off?
Sorry, what?
Take those damn thing out of your ear before I throw it. Let's eat like a family for once.
So what's the big deal? We always eat like a family.
I got internet bill today. It's 4,500 rupees. What do you do? And when do you plan to reimburse me for your shopping addiction?
Soon, Dad. I'm working on it. Besides, I always told you to get an unlimited connection.
Well, I'll just tell you this for once. I'm cutting off your internet connection.
And your cable connection too. Until you pay me back.
I don't know what she does. I don't.
After 2 weeks of no television and internet, the subject's body is now flushed of all toxins. The subject enters the phase wherein the body begins to demand the narcotic substance. The craving physiologically manifests itself in insomnia, dilated pupils, and an uncontrollable, invisible rash. The subject then begins to compromise on her ethics and resorts to desperate measures, such as working dubious night jobs, to attain the narcotic substance.
I'm sure all of you all have looked into the mirror and asked yourselves, who am I? What am I doing here? It's amusing and tragic that most of us complete an entire biological cycle without finding answers to these rudimentary questions. In this sea of excess, we all need to channel our minds and focus, each of us. Then you must learn to distill your distractions and material influences from your path. Invest all your energies towards your final goal.